Namaste guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Flying Spur. So today's video is about Rtr-A charts. Okay, so I already have made a few video on Rtr-A exam, so you can go to my channel Flying Spur and you can check it out. Okay, so let's start with the Rtr-A charts. Okay, so when you go for the Rtr-A exam, you will be given a set of chart. Okay, and you need to find the appropriate chart according to your question paper. Okay, so I already told you the importance of the flight plan. So now I'm gonna explain you these charts according to your flight plan, means how to easily solve or find your route from your chart. Okay, so legend you can go on it by yourself, so I will explain you with real examples, so it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, so let's consider first this flight plan. Okay, so first thing you're gonna check is your departure airport, so which is in this case here Coimbatore. Okay, then your route is here Whiskey 119 Calicut VOR, Charlie Lima Charlie Whiskey 15 Golf Oscar Goa VOR, Whiskey 15 North Kabazo, and then your destination is here Mumbai. Okay, so now let's check how to find it on chart. Okay, so first thing first, you're gonna open the chart which have Coimbatore and Mumbai both the airport. So Coimbatore is in the south direction, so here you have your Coimbatore VOR, right? Okay, then you're gonna follow Whiskey 119 till Calicut VOR and then Whiskey 15. So here you go, Coimbatore Whiskey 119 ATS route Whiskey 119 till Charlie Lima Charlie, and then Whiskey 15 till Golf Oscar Goa VOR, right? From there you're gonna follow Whiskey 15 North Kabzo, and then your destination Mumbai. Right, now remember one thing, Whiskey 15 North, be careful there because you have Whiskey 15 South also. So if you remember, you are going from Coimbatore to Mumbai, so you are going in north direction, right? So that's why you're gonna follow the Whiskey 15 North. Okay, so it is like one way only. Okay, now let's understand how you're gonna do communication. Okay, so Coimbatore, look here, Coimbatore have only tower. When we consider Mumbai have surface movement control tower, approach, area control center. Okay, so different authorities. Okay, but here Coimbatore have only tower, right? So whether you want departure clearance or taxi clearance, or takeoff clearance, you need to contact Coimbatore tower, right? From there, so Coimbatore tower goes from surface till flight level 55, right? Okay, now then you're gonna follow Whiskey 119, and let's suppose you reach Calicut VOR at 10,000 feet and you need to do a communication. So which authority you're gonna contact? Calicut tower. Okay, why? Because Calicut tower is going from flight level, going from surface till flight level 145, right? Okay, then you're gonna follow Whiskey 15, and here is your goal. Now let's say you have a question in that it is saying that you reach Aldin, report your position. Okay, so here which authority you're gonna report? So let's see, you are flying at, let's suppose, flight level 300. Okay, so you are over Aldin and you are at flight level 300. So look carefully around. So here you have Chennai control from flight level 255 to flight level 460, right? So you're gonna contact Chennai control. Okay, now let's say you got another question that you reach Goa VOR, take appropriate action. Okay, so in this case remember that you are near the FIR. Okay, so here is Chennai Mumbai FIR. So in that question they are asking you to take permission to cross Chennai Mumbai FIR. Okay, so you're gonna contact Chennai FIR. Okay, now let's say you reach Kabzo at flight level 200. Okay, which authority you wanna contact? Here it is, Mumbai Control. Okay, because it is going from flight level 145 till flight level 460. Okay, now let's see. In question it is given that you are 70 nautical mile from Mumbai at flight level 100 to a communication or request. So in that case you're gonna contact Mumbai approach for your request. Why? Because if you are within 100 nautical mile above flight level 70, then you need to contact Mumbai approach. Okay, and now let's say you are within, it is saying that you are 50, let's say 30 nautical mile at flight level 40, contact appropriate authority for your request. So in that case you're gonna contact Mumbai Tower. Why? Because Mumbai Tower is going from surface till flight level 70 from 40 nautical mile radius of POR, right? So that's how you're going to make communication. So you see, once you find your route, how easily you can make a communication and choose appropriate authority, right? Okay, now let's move on to second example. Okay, so now let's take another example. So here I have another flight plan. In that our departure aerodrome is Mumbai, and our destination aerodrome is Jamshedpur, and our route is Whiskey 10 North, Bravo Papa November, Bhopal Viola, Alpha 791, flight level 180, IFR, and till your destination. Okay, so first you need to find your chart. So I already found that, and in chart 4 here you are Mumbai and Jaisalmer, right? Okay, so let's look at your route now. So Bravo, you are following Whiskey 10 North till Bhopal, right? So Whiskey 10 North, Whiskey 10 North, Whiskey 10 North, and Bhopal. Okay, then from Bhopal you are taking Alpha 791 till Jamshedpur, right? So here you go, Alpha 791, Alpha 791, and Jamshedpur, right? Easily you can find it. Okay, now about the communication. Now let's see. As I told previously, Mumbai has surface moment control tower, approach, area control center, right? So when you take off, you're gonna contact Mumbai tower. Okay, once you cross flight level 50, you're gonna contact Mumbai approach, right? And then let's say you reach Dopid and you need to make your position report, and you are at flight level 200. Okay, you are passing flight level 200. At that time you're gonna contact Mumbai control. Okay, here you go, Mumbai TMA from flight level 200 till flight level 460. So you're gonna contact Mumbai control for your position report. Okay, from there let's see you reach Bodar and you need to make communication. Okay, you are at flight level 300. So at that time you're gonna contact Ahmedabad control, because Ahmedabad control going from flight level 150 till flight level 460, right? Okay, now let's say in your question you are given that you are on Alpha 791 10 nautical mile from Ibuda, make appropriate communication. Okay, so remember you're gonna cross Mumbai Kolkata FIR. So as I told previously, you need to contact Mumbai Kolkata FIR for the clearance, right? Easy, right? Okay, now let's take another example. So this one is the same, so let's just go on the next one. Okay, here you are going from Mumbai to Lucknow and your route is Golf 450, Nagpur River Whiskey 99, Jabalpur Whiskey 66, okay, then Khajuraho Whiskey 40. Okay, so let's find it on chart. So you are here at Mumbai and you are following Golf 450, okay, till Nagpur. From Nagpur you are going on ATS Whiskey 99 till Jabalpur. From Jabalpur you are taking Whiskey 66 till Khajuraho, and from Khajuraho you are going to Whiskey 40 till Lucknow, right? So you see, sometimes you will get a complicated chart, but it is easy once you figure it out from where to where you are going, right? So easy, right? So according to that, now remember, you this need practice. So as many flight plan you solve, that much you will understand how easily you can go over the things and make a communication with the appropriate authority. Just the requirement is, whenever you make communication, take 4 to 5 seconds, look around and check which jurisdiction you are coming in and easily do the communication, right? Okay, so now if you like the video, please share it with your friends and comment on the video if you have any question. Thank you guys.